We're working in Photoshop with a clear objective, making design decisions that improve visual perception, not just appearance. Most modern posters fail because images feel forced into the layout instead of belonging to it. When frames are improvised late in the design, balance is lost and alignment suffers. A clean structure needs to exist before visuals enter the scene. The layout begins with defined spacing and hierarchy. Using frame mask, structured image areas are created early, allowing the poster to breathe. The frame establishes visual order, making sure images sit naturally within the design rather than overpowering it. Once imagery is placed, it adapts instantly, respecting the boundaries all